Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme language in Shopify. If you're running a Shopify store and looking to reach a wider audience by offering them the ability to view your store in different languages, this guide is for you. Let's get started with this straightforward process, ensuring your Shopify store can cater to an international audience. Before we dive in, it's important to understand why adding multiple languages matters. Shopify stores that offer translated content often enjoy higher conversion rates, lower bounce rates, and improved trust with international customers. Even if you're not actively targeting global markets today, preparing your store for multilingual audiences future-proofs your business and expands your professional presence. First, you want to navigate to the bottom left of your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Settings. This is where you can control many aspects of your store, so it's a handy area to familiarize yourself with if you haven't already. Once you're in the settings, look towards the left panel and select Languages. This is the section where you'll manage all the languages your store uses. Next up, you'll see an option to Add Language. Click on this, and it will allow you to add a new language for your entire site. This function is crucial if you want to expand your reach beyond your current language offering. Once you've added your new language, it's time to begin translating. You should see the newly added language on your list. Click Translate, and then proceed to click Auto Translate. Shopify's Auto Translate feature will take care of most of the translations for you. It's a real time saver, ensuring that all your content is transformed into the selected language. Just a quick tip here, Auto Translate is helpful, but it's not perfect. If you have brand-specific wording, product names, or unique taglines, make sure to manually verify them. Core translations can make your store look less credible to international shoppers, so spending an extra few minutes checking your text can make a big difference. It's important to note, though, that while the auto-translate does a lot of the heavy lifting, you might still want to review some translations for accuracy, especially for phrases that are unique to your store. Now let's head back to the language list. You're going to find the three dots icon next to your newly added language. Click on those dots, and you'll see an option to publish. Select it. This action makes the language live on your site, allowing visitors to switch to this language when they access your store. With the language published, you can exit the settings. Now, let's direct our focus to markets, which you'll find on the left panel. Click on it. Once you're in the market section, you'll want to click on Create Market. This feature allows you to group countries together, effectively creating a market catered to the language you've just added. Here's something most beginners don't know. Shopify Markets is not just a grouping tool. It allows you to customize pricing, domain preferences, tax rules, and product availability by region. So if you plan to scale internationally, this section becomes extremely powerful because it lets you tailor your store for each audience based on local market expectations. Within this new market, you're going to name it, add the countries that speak the language you've just set up, and then select the appropriate currency. You also get the chance to specify the products you want to offer in this market, specify the language, and even decide on a different theme for this particular group of countries. This is an excellent way to tailor the customer experience for different audiences. After you've configured all these details to your liking, just hit Save. And there you go. Your Shopify store is now equipped with a new language, and you've truly made it accessible to a broader audience. That's all there is to it. Before we wrap up, I also want to give you a bonus tip. Make sure your theme actually supports multiple languages. Most Shopify 2.0 themes do, but some older themes may not. If your theme doesn't support language selectors, you can add an app or switch to a modern, translation-friendly theme from the Shopify theme store. Thanks for watching, and keep expanding those horizons. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment if you want tutorials on Shopify SEO, international pricing, or boosting Shopify conversions. Your support helps me create more helpful content for you.